well. Today we have a cleaning video, cleaning the bedroom, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you do, consider subscribing. Thank you. Today I'm just going to start washing the floors in the hallway. And shortly after that, when I'm all done here, I will be heading over to start cleaning in the bedroom.
She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl.
Just going to put my basket back, and I waited for the floors to dry, guys, and I put my carpet back in place. And this is the final look at the hallway. Nice and clean. Ready to go for another day.
She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody.
Always feels good to get another job done in the house. So now we're heading into the bedroom, and I'm going to start by making the bed, tidying up for the day. I always really enjoy my bed being made. I don't know, it makes me feel like if I don't make my bed for the day, that I'm not up. It doesn't make me feel like I'm ready to go for the day. I always enjoy making the bed and having it all done, and I don't know, it just feels better when you walk in the room and you see your bed all made. It makes you feel, I don't know, brighter inside kind of thing, you know, like you're up for the day and you're ready to go. It's kind of one of those jobs that not everybody enjoys doing, but one of the necessity jobs, I guess.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes.
We decorated our bedroom in like black, whites, and grays, as you can tell here, and we still need to do a few touches in here and add some things, but overall I really like how it's turned out so far. It's quite a big bed. It's a California king bed. You really have not much space in the bedroom once you have a great big bed like this in here, so we kind of just make it work the best way we can, and so far it's working well, and I really like the comforter that we ended up picking out for here. And like I said, it goes really well with the black and white and touches of gray, something neutral. I didn't want it too girly. I didn't want it too much for one person, so it works for both.
Gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about, so we can dine and spend up all our nights.
Okay, so I'm just heading over to clean the nightstand, and I'm just using my lemon cleaner. And I love that lemon scent, nice and fresh for a bedroom especially. And who doesn't like a nice, fresh, clean bedroom and a place where you rest and you recharge? And the last thing you want is a dusty bedroom. So all I keep on this nightstand is one flower arrangement and a candle. I'm just gonna go put that back on. Now I'm just heading over to clean the jewelry box I have in the one corner of the bedroom. And all I keep on this also is just a lamp and one flower arrangement and a little picture that I happen to like. Just, you know, gives me something to look at the end of the bed. It's a little decorative touch. And what else are you really supposed to do with a little tiny stand-up jewelry box? But I like the furniture piece, so I kept it. The next thing I'm just going to clean off is the chest that I have at the end of the bed. And I'm just going to give this a quick dust with my Swiffer duster. So now I'm just going to clean the top dresser. This dresser is really tall, so I'm going to stretch over here and wipe it down at the top. And I used my lemon cleaner for the top, and later I will use my Old English cleaner for cleaning the front of it to shine up the wood and to make the wood. It is a real wood dresser, so I like to make sure that I keep it hydrated with that cleaner. I'm putting all the stuff back on the dresser now. Don't really keep a lot on the dresser, at least I don't think it's a lot for me, but I just like to make sure it's cozy and comfortable and have something to look at in the bedroom. I don't know, I just like all my spaces just to be cozy and comfortable. So I like having little things around that I can look at that make me feel happy and comfortable. I don't like a bare bedroom. Now I'm just heading over to clean off the other nightstand in the room. Just giving it a quick wipe down. We have black lamps. The bases of the lamps are black, so they kind of attract the dust. And even the dark wood furniture attracts the dust quite easily.
I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like.
I'm going to use my Old English, all the wood surfaces that I have in the bedroom. It's a little hard to reach here. The bedroom, the bed, like being a California king, is very big, so I do have to kind of stretch to make sure I get the bed surface clean. You're going to see me stretching right now. But like I said, I love the way it turns out. Because it just hydrates the wood, and you can go back like a week later and still looks amazing.
About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you.
Okay, so I'm just going to start vacuuming now, and I have the carpet at the end of the bed that I'm just going to vacuum and clean that up. I like having carpet at the end of the bed, I don't like having just only wood surfaces in the bedroom. Just kind of warms up the space a little bit. And now I'm going to start washing my floors. It's not a lot of floors to wash in here, but just giving them a quick wipe down. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. We're coming towards the end now of cleaning, and I just want to say thank you for joining me. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll hope to see you in the next video. And thank you again, and toodaloo. See you next time.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car.